Hello, how is it going? Did you know that Netflix on your Amazon Fire TV stick has some secret codes? And why may I need those secret codes, you may ask? Well, those codes are needed to access content in specific categories. For example, horror, comedy, action, and so on. So how do I use those codes and where to find them? One more thing I want to mention is that if you're watching my video and you go to the description, you'll see some links because some of you guys ask, for example, what computer screen am I using, what TV or microphone am I using. So I added links here to Amazon, to all the hardware and gear that I'm using, and also some free trial links such as for Amazon Prime. So that link would give you 1 month of service for free, and same with Audible, Amazon Family, or Amazon Music. And to be totally transparent, yes, if you buy something through my link, I will get a small affiliate commission on that. However, that's not going to cost you anything extra. The price would be totally the same as on regular Amazon website. However, this way you would support the channel and that would be really kind of you. Now back to the video. So in your Netflix app on your Amazon Fire TV stick, go to search. And let me show you all the codes that you may use or you may need. So let's start with the code 1365. So that code is going to bring out action movies such as Time to Hunt, Black Hat, Last Bullet, Barbarians. So all the action movies and the action series, high pace, explosions, shootings, adrenaline, and so on. Then following to the next code, it's going to be 4698. So what we got here are basically animes for kids, such as Megamind, Gen, Q-Force, Canvas, and so on. So this code is for kids or even for you if you still enjoy such content, which is totally fine. Then let's go to a next code on our list today, which is 6548. And basically what we got here is comedy movies and comedy series, such as Yes Man, Naked, Friday, Police Academy, which is definitely a great movie, and if you haven't watched it yet, then definitely do so. Rush Hour, RV, and so on. War Dogs is a pretty good movie, by the way, as well. Highly recommended. And now let's go next to the following code, which is for documentaries, and it's going to be 6839. So here we got such things as Unresolved Mysteries, Spycraft, History 101, How to Become a Tyrant, Extremis, American Murder, Haunted Mystery Lab. And to be honest, Netflix recently released quite a lot of pretty decent documentary movies and especially series, for example the infamous Dahmer and so on. And now we go next. The following code is going to be 5763. Sorry. 3. Yep. 5763. And it's going to be for drama movies, such as How It Ends, Unforgivable, The Informer, Lost Girls, Hypnotic, and films and movies like that. And since Halloween isn't coming, we basically, of course, got to research the horror movies as well. So code for your horror movies and series is going to be 8711. But here actually, to be honest, I wasn't able to find too many great horror movies on Netflix. Maybe because I'm too picky, and in the past years there pretty much were not released any at least decent horror movies. But if you think otherwise and you know of any great horror movies or even series on Netflix, then definitely let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to check them out, because horror definitely is one of my favorite genres. And now we go next to 1701, which is going to be for music shows, movies about different rock bands, stars, and pretty much so on. So there's some content about Queen, Metallica, Justin Timberlake is somewhere here. Yep, here he is. And if you're looking for romance, then there is a code for that as well. It's gonna be 8883. And there you are going to find some pretty popular and decent content pieces such as The Lucky One, Through My Window, Endless Love, You Get Me, and other ones as well. If you are into sci-fi movies, well, we have a code for you as well today. So the code for sci-fi movies is 1492, and we get such movies as Ava, The Titan, Extinction, Spectral, The Shadow of the Moon. To be honest, Netflix has quite a lot of sci-fi content. Not all of it is great, but still there is quite a lot of decent content as well. And if you are into sports, well, there's code for that as well. So it's 4, 3, 7, and 0. So after entering the code, we get some sports movies and series. I did watch the Hustle movie and actually liked it a lot. Great movie. But also we can see here the 8 Mile, Home Team, a movie about Pele, and other things as well. The next code is going to be for thriller movies, and it's going to be 8933. And then you get some thriller movies here, such as Intrusion, There's Someone Inside Your House, In the Shadow of the Moon, Lost Girls, I Came By, Aftermath, some movies based on Stephen King's novellas, and so on. There is also one more code, and it's going to be the last for today, which is basically dedicated to Halloween. So let's see, it's quite a long code. It's 8133. Then we go to 6575. So basically it's a specifically created page for Halloween related movies and series. And since it's already the end of October, it's definitely gonna be really popular. So that was the last code for today. If this video was helpful, then of course make sure to hit the like button and sub my channel for more tutorials on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. Have a great one.